We got flooded out. Look at this. We're flooded out. And the park is also flooded out, which I'm gonna. Wow. We got flooded out in Dayton. And now I'm going to the other side and just look at that. Look at that right there. The river is flooded out. Look at that. Park is flooded out right there. It's April the 3rd, 2024. Look at that. It's all flooded out. I'm floored. Look at that. The Island Park is flooded out. Look at that. Wow. Turning it back this way. They swimming. They having a good time. Everything is flooded. The river is flooded. Look at that. Wow. Going back to the park. Look at that. The park is flooded too. They got it closed off. Nobody can go in. Look at the flood. I'm just outdone. Look at that. It's all flooded. Wow. I've never seen this before. Wow, and look at that. Going back to the other side.